welcome back to the Relaxing Coast channel here on YouTube. As always, I am your host with the most, Ghost. It's been a long week here, guys, but today my package has finally arrived. It's been about a month since I ordered this thing here on eBay. Not too happy about it. But let's get down to business, man. Before I get into it, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, that's it, man. Took about 3 weeks for a DVD. The upside is, I only paid 99 cents for it, plus shipping, so it came to about $10. I paid more for the shipping than the actual DVD, and that's pretty sad. Oh yeah, it's like Christmas. And our friend there at eBay, he included some bonus discs. So, and they include other Summerslams. It's like Summerslam 2006. And no way, Summerslam 2001. Thank you, Mr. His name was APT 102. So that's really cool, man. Summerslam 2001 DVD. Just without the case or whatever, man. If you guys got a case, let me know. And here we have SummerSlam 2010, brand new, sealed, and it was, like I said, it was 99 cents I paid for all this shit. So SummerSlam 2001, SummerSlam 2006, and SummerSlam 2010 for only, it came to $9.45 there with shipping and handling, guys. That's a steal, man, just for the SummerSlam 2001. And boom, there it is with an insert. Wow. Or it's not really an insert, it's an ad. Fucking ads. When inserts become ads, I lost it. This is the SummerSlam where the Nexus debuted there and attacked John Cena on Raw. And then they had that big 7-on-7 tag team elimination match, which I was never a fan of that. Nexus definitely should have went over there. You want to give these guys a big debut at a big event. This was it. And, Jericho and Edge apparently tried to persuade Cena in the right direction, but Cena wasn't having it, and in the end, Cena, he eliminated two guys after being beat down there. We got Sheamus versus Randy Orton for the WWE Championship, Kane versus Rey Mysterio for the World Heavyweight Championship, Big Show versus the Straight Edge Society, and Kofi Kingston versus Edge. Of course, SummerSlam 2001 is the one where the Great One returned there. See if you can get a little close-up on that. And then, they had Booker T versus The Rock for the WCW Championship, and an awesome match between Stone Cold Steve Austin and Kurt Angle for the WWF Championship. So yeah, that's my little unboxing there, guys. Subscribe to the channel. I got a big list of videos to make. SummerSlam 2016 is in the books. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace.